Hey guys, today we're going to try to target them bigger crappie. So what I'm going to do is take that Johnson beetle spin and a black bobby garland, and then I'm going to tip it with a live minnow. We're going to try to stretch that profile to about 3.5 inches, try to target them bigger crappie. And if not, we'll just take whatever we can get. Anyway, let's see what we can do, guys. We're going to take this live minnow, we're going to go right behind his eye. And you see how long of a profile that is? Now we got us a long profile. See what them crappie think about that. Good little spot, good looking spot right there, though. You'd think there would be one. There he is. Yeah. There he is. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good crappie. Say that minnow helped a little bit on that one. Oh yeah, that's a pretty dude. So I gotta get away from that top before I spook him. Might be another one in there. But yeah, he's pretty. There he is. Hey, look at that. That is another good crappie. Them minnows is working. That's another pretty decent crappie. Oh yeah, I like it. There he is. Oh my goodness, I got it. Something's big. I don't know if that's a crappie. I don't think so. I wished he was. Wow. Come on, fish. What are you? That's a monster grinnell. Yep, that's a pretty good one. Wow, that's a good one. You see, this little old 5.5 foot rod still doing a good job, even with that big fish. Man, might have to wipe the camera off. Alright, you know what, guys? I didn't even bring a dip net or pliers. I'm in a mess. Oh, he's probably gonna get my lure. They got teeth. Man, they'll tear you up. He'll have to tire down before I can grab a hold of him. He's just getting ready. I touch him, he might wake up. Look at them teeth he's got on him. You see them right there? That's why you don't stick your hand in their mouths. That's little razor blades waiting to slice you apart. I will stick my hand up under him. Easy guy. Easy guy. I know he's not tired yet, but if he don't let me grab a hold of him, I can't help him. Yeah, he just broke my lure. Oh well, he's free. I just lose the lure. But he gave me a good fight. I guess it wasn't too bad of a trade. That was fun. Fun. I like it. Got me a brand new 30-second ounce after that guy tore me up. So what I'm going to do is throw a tiny bit of super glue gel right there. Just takes a drop, tiny drop, and push this jig up on there. And now it's not going to keep sliding down all the time. Then I tip my minnow on there and I'm ready to go again. There he is. Got him that time. Oh yeah, another good. That's a pretty good crappie. Pretty good one. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's a good one. No doubt. Man, that's a pretty guy right there. We definitely will take it. There he is. Oh, I got that nice crappie. Well, not a great big one, but oh yeah, he's a pretty good one. Man, you know they're pretty good when the backs are, they're real thick on that back. They got a lot of meat on them. I like that. Let me get my hook. There he is. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Pretty crappie. I'll take it. I was going to show y'all guys. I make ice water. So when the fish gets in there, it kind of shakes and he's down in the ice like that. Then he's not flopping around on top of your ice and bumping into your ice chest and making all kinds of racket. That just is a quieter way of throwing them in a cooler. Yeah, I'm home. So I'll grab my other pole. Get up under there a little bit. See what's up there. There he is. There's a crappie there. Little guy. He's big enough for sure. We'll take that guy. It's hot, but I'm out here fishing because I like it. There he is. If I can keep him on. There. Oh no, he got in that top. Man, he ran right into that top. I still got him. I think, well, I don't know how long I'm going to keep him. He's going around the top. Go the other way, guy. Go the other way, guy. There he goes. I got him. Hey, he ain't too bad neither. That's a pretty good one. Whew. That hook just barely flopped off. Oh man, that thing is pretty. I just love the color of these black crappie. There he is. Oh. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Oh yeah. Nice crappie. Yep, we'll take him. There he is. Feels like a good fighter anyhow. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a good one. And he made it to the boat. turquoise lip. Man, that's a good crappie. Here's a good one. We take him. There's a big fish. I don't know what he is. He's just now starting to fight. What is that, a bass? I think that's a pretty good bass. Well, no, I'm not sure yet. That's a grinnell. That's another big grinnell. Look at that dude. Man, I could get him out and take a look at him, but I only got 6-pound test here and no net, no no pliers. Stuck again. Man, he's a good one. I caught him on this 7-foot rod. I wanted to test it out, but I'm finally getting to. Yeah, I don't know how. I know how Mike could get it out with a hook. Let me show you a little trick that might work. I've done it with strings before, but I'm gonna try this. Maybe I won't lose this lure this time. All I'm gonna do is hang on to this ring real good. Get it down here on the hook. I got him. Got my lure back. I mean, I bent my hook, but I released the fish without him swimming around. The hooks will dissolve in their mouth eventually, but it's better to get it out if you can. Now, he don't have a hook in his mouth, and I got my spinner back, so we A-okay. And there he is. Oh, what do I got? If that's it's a bass. Oh, man, he is dark. A pretty little bass, but man, he is so dark. All right, later. Uh-oh, there he goes. There he is. Man, that's a pretty good one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Man, that's a pretty fish. I love it. There he is. Jerked him right out of the water. Oh, that was a catch and release. There he is. Oh yeah, that's a pretty decent one. That's a good one. Yeah, not too bad. That's a pretty one. I take it. There he is. Got another one.